Roasted nuts ready for mixing. Nuts are roasted and sorted to enhance flavor and texture.
Pasteurization preserves safety while maintaining creamy quality. Filtered milk flowing through large industrial chillers. Cooled milk ready for mixing with cream and sugar. The continuous freezer rapidly chills the mixture to create smooth texture.
Air is gently folded in, giving ice cream its signature light texture.
Flavors are infused precisely, maintaining consistency in every batch. Homogenization ensures each tub has a velvety, uniform texture. Sensors verify every batch meets strict visual and textural standards. Robotic arms fill each tub precisely, ready for topping and finishing. Surface leveling ensures each tub is visually and texturally perfect. Rapid cooling locks in texture, preparing for toppings and flavors. Toppings are folded in with precision, ensuring even distribution.
Human oversight ensures every tub meets exacting standards.
Chocolate ribbons are added, creating a delicious visual and flavor layer.
Blending ensures every flavor is perfectly integrated.
Fruits and nuts are distributed evenly for consistent taste and texture. Smooth surfaces ensure aesthetic appeal and even freezing. Initial cooling sets the stage for perfect consistency. Vision systems ensure visual perfection at every stage. Every tub is verified to maintain optimal freezing standards.
Toppings are applied uniformly, creating the perfect finishing touch.
Polished surfaces prepare tubs for precise sealing and branding.
Lids are applied with exact alignment to maintain freshness.
Labels ensure branding consistency and product recognition.
Every tub is inspected to ensure flawless appearance.
Semi-frozen tubs are stored under precise temperature control.
Storage conditions are constantly monitored for perfect preservation.
Semi-frozen tubs are now ready for precise human supervision.
Check the sensor array feedback on screen 3.
Looks stable. Calibration sequence complete.
We have an anomaly in the predictive model for the main conveyor.
Cross-reference that with the current thermal load. This pallet checks out.
Verified. We can move on.
Rapid cooling locks in texture and flavor, even at full production speed.
The viscosity looks good on this batch.
Yes, it matches the standard reference perfectly.
Branding ensures each tub carries the company's signature identity.
A protective coating preserves labels and surface aesthetics. Polished surfaces ensure visual appeal and smooth texture.
Every tub is inspected to meet the highest quality standards. Boxes are filled precisely, ready for secure shipping. Sealed boxes protect ice cream during storage and transport. Automated palletizing maximizes space and efficiency. Protective wrapping secures pallets for shipping and storage. Pallets are stored under precise temperature control until shipping.
Inventory systems track every pallet for accurate dispatch planning.
Refrigerated trucks are loaded efficiently for transport.
Ice cream begins its journey to markets around the world. Distribution centers handle logistics for local and international deliveries.
Automation ensures pallets reach the correct regional routes efficiently.
Ice cream arrives fresh at stores, ready for consumers.
Ice cream is stocked in perfect condition for customers.
Lighting and placement showcase the ice cream to its best advantage.
The final product reaches consumers, ready to enjoy.
From raw ingredients to frozen delight, ice cream brings joy to every home.
Ice cream made today reaches hearts and homes across the globe.